Hi, M5561. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day to you, ma'am and sir. My name is Janeline M. De La Cruz. I am 31 years old and I am happily married, blessed with two kids, ages 13 and 9 years old. I am a Roman Catholic and I am a high school graduate. I live in Mangataran, Pangasinan, Philippines.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Pangasinan, Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
Uh, I am a nanny before in Philippines for almost 4 years. I serve five members of the family, the mother and the father, and one newborn and two kids, ages 2 years old boy with autism and 4 years old girl.
Okay. Then you have an experience being a helper in Hong Kong, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in Hong Kong.
I am a domestic helper before in Hong Kong for 8 months. I serve three members of the family. I do cooking, cleaning, wash clothes, and I uh, I do pick up him after school, the
Okay.
kids.
But why suddenly break the contract?
Uh, because my daughter get bullied at school, so I need to go home and family first before anything. So I do the decision to break the contract.
So that's why. But your employer know about this.
Yes, sir.
Then
I
you have
already
any
told
release
them.
paper with them?
Only the reference letter from my employer.
Okay, so you have a reference letter, which is the one that you gave it to me,
Yes,
right?
sir.
We, this Miss Mr. Calvin Choi, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, for sure you have an idea how to prepare milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
how
I
do
do.
you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I need to wash my hands and also need to wash the bottle, sterilize it, and then need to put warm water, then the exact amount of the milk powder. Then I need to shake it, and then I need to check the temperature if okay, and then I will give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the body temperature and his or her tummy. Then I'll check also the diaphragm if full of wee or poop.
So you will change the diaper. Okay, and
Yes.
if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you change the diaper and also you change the temperature, I check the temperature and also change the diaper, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I'll tell my mom and sir. Then I will ask them what should I do because the
Okay.
baby cannot stop crying.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to
Yes, sir.
cry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because the people in Hong Kong are very kind, and then the Hong Kong is the safest place, and then the highest salary. I can provide my family needs also.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as the employer wants me, then I will continue renewing my contract.
Okay. Um If your employer, for sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Uh, I know how to prepare stir fry,
Okay.
how to cook the noodles, that put some little bit of vegetables and steamed fish, and the
Okay.
other Chinese dishes that my ex-employer gave to me the recipe.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay with me, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to taking care of pets,
Yes, sir.
taking care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or on a holiday set up by your employer.
Yes, sir. It's okay with me.
How about cutting your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, sir, if you hired me, I am willing to learn many things from your family, and then I am kind, trustworthy, and honest also. Thank you, mom, and hope to see you soon.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Janaline. Thank
Thank you,
you.
mom.